Her love and humanity never grows old. Each doll, a story, a treasure to keep, lessons of courage, kindness, and wisdom to reap. From Kit to Addy, from Samantha to Melody, each doll a reflection of our shared humanity. Their beauty is more than skin deep, it's in the diversity, the history they keep. Their stories remind us of the past, present, and future, of the struggles, the triumphs, and the lessons that nurture. Their beauty is in the details, the accessories they wear, the furniture, the pets, and the books they share. American Girl, a beauty that shines so bright, in every child's eyes, a magical sight. Her beauty comes from her love and her heart, her humanity, her kindness, a work of art.
Her beauty is in the community she inspires, the friendships she creates, the dreams she conspires. For every American girl, a fan, a collector, a friend, a community that embraces diversity until the very end. American Girl, a beauty, a love, humanity, her lessons, her stories, a gift to our humanity. So let us cherish her beauty, her love, and her heart, this American Girl, a work of art.